So the IFL National Championship is set, and it is the Vegas Nighthawks from the Western Conference taking on the Green Bay Blizzard from the Eastern Conference. Vegas Nighthawks got here by beating the Bay Area Panthers and the San Diego Strikeforce 74-68. The Green Bay Blizzard got here by beating the Tulsa Oilers and the Quad City Steamwheelers 71-64. So it's going to be a high-scoring game, and the Vegas Nighthawks are going to go into Tucson and win the national championship. Let's go, Vegas Nighthawks. Caw-caw!